is Sagar Shah. I am the CEO of Publicity Port and I invite you to join my digital agency success program by Publicity Port Academy. This course is designed for professionals, freelancers, business owners, and anyone who wants to run a profitable digital marketing agency. The program that is designed to help you implement a low-cost model and start hunting clients in any economy. Here is what you will learn in the class. Discover your niche you love, identify the services that your client would want to buy, how to qualify clients and host a foolproof sales call. Also, you will get hands-on training on finding a prospect in your desired industry, and you will get exclusive access to my outreach template that I have fine-tuned over the years. Further, this template is approved by my mentor, who is an ex-IBM with 25 plus years of experience in marketing. Please mind, I use these messages even today. I look forward to meeting you in the course.